going to reveal her views about how to get rid of depression. You know, it is the most important disease nowadays. Many people have to commit suicide due to it. So that how can we get relief by this disease? So, okay.
A very good morning to one and all present here. Myself, Andrea Thakur, first year MBBS student, SPMC bikaner. First of all, thank you sir for giving me this opportunity to deliver my views on such a relatable topic. So, my topic is how to get rid of depression. So, first of all, let's talk about what is depression. Depression is not sadness. Let's not stop demeaning the word depression. For example, if you're coming from somewhere else into Bikaner and then we are saying that the environment is not suitable, I'm getting depressed, I'm not liking food, I'm getting depressed. This is not depression. There is a significant difference between depression and sadness. So if I talk about sadness, it's like pain plus a positive vibration in that full arena of negativity and painlessness. But in depression, it's just pain and pain and pain. And in sadness, you just imagine things that this will happen or that will happen. But in depression, you actually get into that scenario of being there. In sadness, you don't lose your worth, but in depression, you start feeling worthless, you lose your worth or self-esteem. If I talk about some causes of depression, so they could be genetic, and the second that's most important is the environmental factor, which is like if you're getting continuous negligence from your peer group or you're involved in violence or something, then that is a major cause of depression. Now, finally getting to the topic, how to get rid of depression. So for this, there are various methods like since the biochemistry of our brain, this is affected to a large extent. So in depression, you can consult a doctor or someone. But the main, the solution to this problem is talking to a psychotherapist, that is taking a psychotherapy. What does that mean is like talking. Because if I specifically talk about teen depression, then what happens is that we all are happy faces with a sad soul. Like if we want to tell something to someone, we do not have someone who actually understands us. So it's very important to have someone who understands us and gets us in a very good way. And fourth one would be like self-help. What you can do is like talk to a positive person. Like I'm not saying just talk to a person for the sake of conveying your view, but actually talking to a positive person, because you know what, like in depression you actually get color blind and the world is constantly telling you to see the colors. I'm not talking about the medical color blindness, which is RGB loss, but the actual color blindness when everything just gets black and white. So, and the world is telling you to see colors around you. So it's better to talk to a positive person. Other things which can help you in the same would be exercising, which will make you active and just relieve you from the lethargic feeling. And at the end, I would like to say that depression is, like most of the people think that depression is non-curable, but let me tell you that depression is, like according to facts, most curable mental disorder. Like every 1 in 15 adults do have depression, but 80 to 90% people do get relief after proper treatment and all. In the end, I would like to say that if you have depression, do not say that I have depression. Say that I battle with depression. Depression hits me, I hit it back. That's all. Thank you.
Sawa.